Wow, I'm gonna touch the ground. Oh. All right, guys. Shout out to Jay Bavis. She requested to do a camera setup review, etc. You know, so I got the selfie stick here. I got the GoPro Max. I put this fishing line here to make it a little more stable. We're gonna see how it comes out in the video. Hopefully it's not visible. And then I got a GoPro Hero 7 with a microphone adapter. Got the microphone inside. And down here I got a Hero 4 Sessions. What's nice about these little cameras is that they're tiny and they're good for like these kind of jobs. And then I'm holding a Hero 5 Sessions. But then the drawback with these cameras are that they don't have a screen, so you kind of have to like figure out where to aim it. All right, let's turn these puppies on. Alright, brewskis, let's go get some epic footage. Let me know, do I look good today?
I look real good today.
Woohoo! I'm gonna act like a MotoGP rider here. Wow, I'm gonna touch the ground. Oh. I thought I was gonna touch the ground there. Ground toucher. Man, I can't reach it. I got short arms. This bike has crazy power. What was I thinking when I got it? I look good today. Not that there. Dopies, man. Holy shit, man. Like an idiot. Alright, brewskis, I think we got some epic captures here. The only thing I noticed here is I have to do a better job when I put the pole on, because it turns. I noticed that it turns. You see how easy it turns? Oh, look right here. See, it's kind of cheapo one, that's why. So yeah, I gotta do a better job on that. And then I noticed this one, the camera, well, I didn't notice, I saw it, like it would flop down, I guess the vibrations, and then I tightened it. It seems good now. So that's one thing to keep an eye on. And well, this one here seems to be bulletproof down here. It did a good job, I guess. But I'm gonna see maybe if I can find a better quality pole, because this is kind of cheapo, I guess. Maybe I should put a broomstick or something, because this loosened up and it went inside. Also, it has to do, I drive a little bit like a maniac. I mean, I ride like a maniac, not drive. But yeah, man, look, Hayabusa looking good today. Look good today. A little hammy action in the back. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Shout out to Jay Bavis again, and I'll see you in the next one. Leave a comment. Tell me, do you have any suggestions? Do you want to see something else? Do you got any ideas for the channel to do? Let me know. All right, oosh.